Hi, I'm Ellie with Delta One Pool and Patio, and I'm here to show you how easy it is to use a big green egg. Basically, you want to take the grate off. You want to fill charcoal up to the fire ring here, and then you're going to light it with some fire starters. And then you just put your grate back on, and then you close the lid. You use the daisy wheel here and open that up completely. And then you open this up completely. And then you wait till it gets about 700 degrees. And then you want to start snuffing it down just a little bit. So you put your daisy wheel on here, just adjust it, close this a little bit. Wait till it gets to be about 300 or 400 degrees. And then before you actually open it, you want to burp it a little bit and then open it. And then if you want, you can use a little plate setter, and this is just like a heat diffuser, so that if you want to cook like ribs or even like bread, cookies, this deflects the heat. And then just close it up. That's it, very easy. Then if you want to restart the green egg, very easy. We've got the fire sticks there. We've got a handy little grilled grate gripper. You just take that off. You stir this up real good. Make sure that's open. Pour new charcoal in here. And then you do your fire starters. Put that back on. And basically, that's about the same way. Very easy. Usually takes about 5 minutes at the most to start this. And you're ready to put your food on. And then we have a few accessories too, if you're interested. Some people will do fire starters, some will do the electric lighter, and it takes about 3 minutes. And then we have some tools, a turkey sitter, some different chips. So Green Egg has probably over 50 different products. So hopefully you'll enjoy and you'll be a member of our Big Green Egg Club.